Here we have Titan Welding and Fabrication, our first squeeze chute design. Disregard the hoses hanging off of there. We mocked them up just to start testing cylinder speed, stroke speed, all that, and start testing the pump. Everything is going to go travel up that arm on brackets and be up out of the way. You have a double jointed swing arm here. Allows you to pivot in every single direction all the way back to the palpation cage at the back of the chute. The chute measures 12 feet long by 6 foot tall internal height with a 30-inch internal width. We added a neck hole here, which we are also going to have a brisket bar in there to prevent cows from any kind of choking. More than likely a head stabilizer is going to be on there as well. Everything moves freely, all slam shut doors. We still haven't done the finishing touches. We're going to take these edges down. Everything's going to get a buffer. You're not going to be able to catch yourself on anything. But all the doors are squeeze shut. Branding doors are not squeeze shut, but slam shut. Branding doors are slam shut as well. Heavy duty latches up top. Branding doors are also removable. You can take them completely out and give you full access to the animal as well. Been able to do this just all with one hand. It's that easy to remove everything. Through this channel right here is where your backer bar is going to go with locks. So all you do is slam that bar forward and you're able to back the cow up in there. Palpation cage back here. Spring loaded doors. There are 3-position lock. They lock back here depending on what side you're working on the chute. Allows you to enter the chute without getting pushed or pressed by any cattle. They're in the rest of the, the working pins behind you. The internal width, 30 inches. I mean, this thing is wide. I mean, it's got plenty of room. Underneath the floor are 4 hydraulics that allow the floor wall to pivot in and out to give you a tapered squeeze where the wall will fold over more like that. Instead of just, and you can also flat squeeze them if you want to just keep the wall straight up and down. Personally, I've liked the way a slant wall squeezes because it kind of keeps the cow elevated up out, keep them from falling down when you have that taper to the chute. So I wanted to be able to bring the wall in when the cow's in there, the bottom of the wall, and allow me to squeeze at an angle and have the wall hinge over in that direction. I also have the entire squeeze wall open. If you have to split cows or in there, you get too many backed up in there, both sides open completely up. Heavy duty hinges on the back end side allow you to open this massive wall up. And then once again, all slam shut. Double action latches on everything that move both heavy duty pins. Those are 3/4 inch pins on the bottom. Double action latch for your hoof gate here. Gives you big complete access to the entire animal there. Any type of hoof work you got to do, if you're doing any kind of, if you're cutting calves or bulls or anything like that, you can get to them. Once again, slam shut as well. And all of it's going to be hydraulic operated. So that's the first of Titan Welding and Fabrication, our cattle chute that we've designed and built. I designed all this in a CAD program, and we've thrown it together over the past 4 weeks with a little bit of trial and error.